Christmas Day 2025 at Sandringham was extra special. The royal family gathered for the traditional church service, and it felt like a quiet celebration of hope after a challenging year. King Charles led the way, with Kate and William back together with their children. A beautiful moment of unity. Let's dive into every heartwarming detail. Asterisk. The royals arrived at St. Mary Magdalene Church under clear winter skies. King Charles, looking stronger after his cancer update, walked with Queen Camilla in a navy coat. Prince William and Princess Kate followed. Kate radiant in a deep red coat and matching hat, her first major Christmas appearance since remission. Prince George, Charlotte, and Louis joined the famous Walkabout, waving to crowds with big smiles. The children looked adorable in festive outfits. Charlotte in red velvet, Louis in a navy coat. Inside the historic church, the family sat in the front pews for the traditional carol service. King Charles read the lesson, his voice steady and warm. Kate and William exchanged gentle smiles, a sign of the healing and strength after their tough year. Choir sang classic carols like "O Come All the Faithful" and "Silent Night." The atmosphere was peaceful and uplifting. George, Charlotte, and Louis stole the show. Charlotte held her mother's hand tightly during the service, a sweet mother-daughter moment. Louis waved enthusiastically to well-wishers outside, his cheeky smile lighting up the crowd. George, now taller and more confident, walked proudly beside his dad, a glimpse of the future king. This was the first full family Christmas at Sandringham since 2019, a return to tradition after the pandemic and personal challenges. The estate, loved by Queen Elizabeth for its privacy and warmth, hosted the traditional lunch after the service. King Charles, recent news, reduced treatment thanks to early detection, brought extra joy to the day. From healing to hope, this Christmas at Sandringham reminded us that even royals face real struggles, but family and love always win. A day of quiet courage, joy, and togetherness. Merry Christmas from Palace Portrayal and from the royals. Drop a if this warmed your heart. Like and sub for more royal holiday moments.